We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with BBIG, Vinco Ventures Inc., and it continues to push up higher. We're going to break it all down in today's video. We're going to look at the short interest data and what's going on within the charts. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with BBIG and everything that's going on moving forward. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was NURO. And this was beyond expectations, beyond 20% plus on the day, guys. We caught this one as it was consolidating and pulling back in the pre-market, and then it started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator in the pre-market, continued with strength towards the bell, and took off to a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with BBIG, and it continues to roar and push higher, and the bulls are really putting up a fight here against the shorts. Now you could see this full strength here for the last 4 days consecutively on 42 vision, and you can also see here with ultimate 42 vision that bull indicator since the 10th. It has been holding strong on the 30-minute. There is no bear indicators that popped up. We're going to look at the 4-hour, we're going to look at the 1 day, and we're also going to look at the short interest data and how many short shares are available in today's video. But by the way, you can now gain access to the 42 vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, guys. Phenomenal stuff. And we have seen a lot of volatility in the past when this was consolidating back and forth, but this bull indicator since January 10th has held strong on the 30-minute, and we've talked about how it could slightly pull back like it did right here on the 14th. I stated in my previous videos that if it pulled back like that and no bear indicator popped up, that could be the setup for the next bull run. And you could see it right there, that slight pullback, and look where we're at now, right in the 5s. Now this is at a very pivotal number right now because way back in the history of the chart, right, we have the 550s needing to be broken through, okay? And then once that gets broken through, back up here at the 7s, and then also here at $6. So the stock is trying to retrace, right? The bulls are putting up a fight at these levels to try to trap as many shorts as possible to continue this possible squeeze. Now, some of the shorts have actually been covering and then reshorting the stock at higher levels, but that does not take away the fact that the higher this goes, the more they're getting trapped, right? And eventually the shorts that have not covered above $5.50 will get trapped, and that can create even a further squeeze if that happens, right? That's a possibility because these levels need to be broken through, and then the shorts have to feel the pressure to have to go ahead and cover. So let's look at the 4-hour as well, so we could see things from the bigger picture. And as you could see, since the 12th, it got that bull indicator full strength here on 42 vision all the way up towards 550, guys. This has been strong. This has not shifted. The last bear indicator lasted from 292 all the way to the lows here of 218, and right now it's shifted back. It's been super strong since the 10th and the 12th between the 30-minute and the 4-hour, and the 1 day as well has been filled with strength. I also talked about how we've seen this actually pop up under one of the dark green bars, and then we get 2 green ones before a reversal. So right now we are at a very pivotal moment where there's 2 of them back to back. Is it going to reverse? or is it going to have the strength it had here when it went from 250s all the way up to $12? Now, is it possible to do the same run? Anything's possible. Is it guaranteed? No. But the bulls are putting up that fight. These key levels have been broken through, and the more shorts that get trapped, the higher this could go. So let's go ahead and look at the short data and see what's going on. And I'm going to share with you guys the support levels and resistance levels that I'm watching going into tomorrow. So as we look at the data here, the days to cover is 0.60, pretty low, 22% short interest, and the dark pool short volume ratio is 55%, and the short shares availability is 0, last updated 16 minutes ago. This number has been going up and down, several thousands, 100,000s, and then coming back down to 0. That tells you that the shorts, what they're doing is they're covering on the way up and they're reshorting again at these higher levels, hoping that eventually the bulls will get exhausted and things will turn around and sell off in profit taking would start, right? So that's what they're trying to do. And you could see that every single day, guys, above 50%, when you look at this, above 50% every single day of short share volume. That just means that they're covering and then they're just going ahead and reshorting very aggressively, and volume just continues to be explosive. It's in the 200 millions. As long as that stays strong and doesn't go lower, and we stay above the average 10-day volume of 67 million, there will continue to be some strength here, even if outflows slightly start to take over, like it did today in the middle of the day when it jumped to 550, came back down to 470, but then came back up to the 530s, and it's sitting at 516, 517 back and forth there. So this is in a pivotal point of maintaining volume, putting pressure, and these shorts having the opportunity to get out, and instead they're getting out and they're repositioning themselves as shorts, giving the second chance to get trapped again. Now, what's the first support I would watch? Well, 473. If that gets broken through, the next one would be down here at 411. I would probably even just round that down to $4. See in between $4.11 and $4 what happens before looking any lower. Those are the two supports I'll be watching going into tomorrow. Now, the resistance level is 550. Above 550 is $6. If it breaks through $6, then it would be 7. Or you can also use 650 as a midway point to see if the strength is struggling or going through. But obviously, we will have to reanalyze and see things once that happens. But those are the two key levels I'll be watching to the upside and downside. I look forward to seeing your comments down below. What do you think about BBIG moving forward? Do you think the strength is over, or could it continue? And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.